Hello guys, welcome back. This is KA's for After Effects tutorial channel, and now time to working with Saber Light, Adobe After Effects. How to create a logo animation with Saber Light. So let's start. Okay, this is After Effects. Create a new composition. Select HD and name it logo. What about duration? 10 seconds. Press enter and then open your logo, drop in composition, press S for scale up. Good. Okay, now time to create a new solid. Name it green. Select the color and close, turn off, select the rectangle and zoom in. This is about green. Create another solid, Ctrl Y and select the color, orange. Press OK, turn off the layer and create another mask and create another solid. Select the blue, press enter, turn off, create another rectangle mask like this. Okay, what about last? Yellow, right here, yellow. Okay, press enter and turn off the layer, and this is the yellow rectangle. Okay, now Ctrl A, close all layers and create a new solid. Name it Microsoft. Press enter, turn off this one too. Okay, this is about yellow. Delete the image. Green, go to effects, video copilot, select Saber Light, turn on the layer and go to customize core, select the layer mask, and now select energy and press Ctrl down the size and intensity. Okay, good. And now copy the Saber Light, copy, Ctrl V, paste, and select the layer mask and then press press F4 for the mode and select the add. Okay, what about color? Select the orange color for the green. Yep. And what about this? This was green. And now select the blue, Ctrl V, paste, turn on and go to mode, select add and select the color blue, and this is about yellow. Turn on, Ctrl V, paste and go to mode, select add. This one was yellow. Okay, time to title. Right here, the title, Microsoft, and change the title a different font. Bold. Okay, good. And now control the title, turn off the caps lock and go to Microsoft, Effects, Video Copilot, Saber Light, Customize Core and Text Layers. Then select Microsoft Text and turn on this one and go to Mode, Add, and turn off the Microsoft title and select the layer of Microsoft Saber Light. Press Ctrl for down the size. Select a different effect. Energies and electric. The electric is good, but good. And go to Distort, Glow, select Energy, press Ctrl for amount and multiply. Go to Core Distortion, select Energy and go to Scale. Where is Scale? There is Scale. Yeah, good. And now preview, play. Just for 5 seconds, and I need a different effect for the title. What about fire? This is fire, and there is the fire core size. Play. Yeah, this one is too good, and select the final preset, default. Okay, now time to animation. Select the green, select this one, and there is about offset. Start offset from 0 to 1 second. Then start another one, orange, start offset 1 second 15 frames. Sorry, turn off this one, change to 100 and start from 15 frames. Start offset 1 second 15 frames, and then select the blue, change to hundreds, stopwatch 2 seconds, play. Yeah, that's good. From 1 second 15 frames, change this one too. Yeah, good. Select all 3 layers, press U. There is little bit problem. The third layer must start from 1 second and ends in 2 seconds, and another one starts from 1 second 15 frames, the yellow, stopwatch 2 seconds 15 frames, like this, and play now. And now time to animate the text. Select your text layer, the solid, and go to start offset, stopwatch 3 seconds, 15 frames. Play. That's good. And now turn on text. The logo and the text must in one line. And turn off the text and select the layers and go to core and core distortion like this. This is about energy, speeds, directions. This is noise speed, and there is about scale, and there is noise bias. Okay, select all of them, the all layers, and right click pre-compose, name it logo, and select the logo, Ctrl D for duplicate, and now press F4 for turn on the 3D switch, and rotate the layer, press shift, and now move down, select this one, press press F4 for move, add, and move this one, move down like this. And now select the mask, draw mask, then go to effects and presets. Right here the effect linear wipe, drop this effect. Okay, and now change the effect 190, 180. Good. Okay, select again the logo and go to effect and presets. This place, turbulent, this place. There is about size, and this is about amount. Okay, now okay guys, thank you for watching. This was about logo animation by Saber Light, Adobe After Effects. See you next time.